Hey Michael, this is Matt. I want to show you what happens when I try and run htm-moclu because I'm still getting similar errors, and it looked like you thought you had fixed them, so it could be I'm just not running it right. So let me show you at least what's going on. This is MongoD output. I wanted to show you also Mongo, show my databases, and I don't know Mongo very well, but I think I can just say use cluster db drop database. No, can I just say use cluster db drop database? Yeah, use local db drop database. Prints. Okay. So I'm just trying to show you that there's no databases in Mongo right now, and I'm just going to kill Mongo and start it back up. MongoD. Okay, default everything on Mongo. So back to htm-moclu. Git pull upstream master. This is your latest code as of Monday, October 5th. And so first sbt publish local. That's what the README says to do. And there we go. Success. Second sbt console. And I think this is going to do something in Mongo. And I always get this error, this Siger exception, whatever. And so it looks like we got a Mongo connection, and I think it's created one of those databases now. Okay, so everything looks good here. And this is a Scala console. Now I'm going to go into the Node application, I believe. After I've done oh no, I'm going to start the REST server, right? So let me go back to htm-moclu REST thing, and we will sbt tilde container start. There we go. I never have any problems at this point, but I wanted to take this video. I think this is the same Siger exception. I don't know what that is. But I want to do this video because now we've got more than one console. Here we can see what happened when the server started up. And here's our server console, the REST server console. Oh, it looks like it just stopped. I think all I did was hit return. I didn't expect it to shut off. I'm going to try and start it again. Maybe I shouldn't hit return. Usually I just let it run. So anyway, in the meantime, I'm going to go into HTM engine traffic tutorial, and I am on your master, antidata/master. I just pulled and updated. The only change I've made is that I'm not logging the response to the console. Okay, so this is started back up. So the cluster is on and the HTTP server is on, and now I'm simply going to run npm start, which is going to try and push like over 100 models data into this system. Oh, I have to be in the Node client. npm start. And this works up to a point. So there we go. It's trying to create all these models. If I look over at the consoles, there they all are. It says recovery completed for model whatever. And back at the Node client, I think it's still in the process of creating models. And now I'm starting to get some errors. So this is the thing that keeps happening that looks suspect to me. All of these different connections at the MongoDB console. I don't believe there should be so many connections. So this is interesting. Looks like regions are being started. This is the HTTP container. Recovery complete. Back to, maybe I just need to sit and let this wait for a while. Oh, here we go. There we go. So now it's actually pushing data successfully at this point. And back at the SBT console output, you can see all this stuff happening. But in the meantime, the node client has crashed because of a connection reset while it is trying to push traffic. Traffic pusher to 11, which is, give me a minute, you can hear my fan running. It really heats up when you run this stuff. Traffic pusher to 11, so I'm getting an exception being thrown here after trying to call fetch, which is fetching data from the server, I believe. Or no, fetching traffic data. So unfortunately, I don't know what exactly is happening here. The error resolution should be a little bit more finely grained. But so I don't know what's going on here, except that I'm getting a connection reset. Looking at the server, it seems like things are running still, and Mongo, sorry, this is the HTTP client. No response from remote handshake timed out or transport failure detector triggered. So I don't know what's relevant in these logs and what's not. So maybe you could explain if this is important. Now I've got an out of memory error in the SBT console. In the meantime, Mongo still has 21 connections open. So that's pretty much it. I just want to show you what was going on here, and maybe you could give me some insight into how to fix this problem. So now we're shutting down the JVM. Yeah. So thanks for your time. I'll just post this on YouTube or whatever and put it into an issue later.